In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Zapier. This integration is a great way to automate your workflow and save heaps of time by letting Zapier manage repetitive tasks for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Zapier official website. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in or create an account. The process is straightforward. Just enter your details and follow the prompts. Once you're all set up and logged in, it's time to connect Microsoft Outlook. Next, visit the Outlook integration page on Zapier's website. You'll easily find it by searching for Microsoft Outlook integration on Zapier. Once you're there, click on the button that says Connect Microsoft Outlook. This will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. After signing in, Zapier will ask for permissions to access your Outlook data. Don't worry, this is standard procedure. Just ensure you review the requested permissions and then click Allow to proceed. Now that Outlook is connected, you're ready to create your first automation, also known as a Zap. Begin by clicking on Create Zap on the Zapier dashboard. This will guide you to choose a trigger. Think of a trigger as an event in Outlook that prompts your Zap to run. For instance, you can choose from options like a new email arriving, a new calendar event being added, or an email getting flagged. Pick the one that aligns with the task you want to automate. Once you've selected the trigger, decide on an action. An action is what Zapier will automatically do in response to the trigger you just set. There are many options here. You could send a Slack message, create a Trello card, add a new row to a Google Sheets file, or create a task in Todoist. The possibilities are extensive, and selecting the right action can significantly streamline your workflow. To get a sense of some popular workflows, consider these examples. You might set up a Zap so that every time you receive an important email on Outlook, Zapier sends you a notification in Slack. Or you could automate logging emails into Google Sheets, a handy feature for maintaining records. Other possibilities include creating tasks in Todoist based on certain emails, or having Trello cards generated for project management purposes. If you're managing meetings, integrating Outlook Calendar with Zoom through Zapier can automatically create meeting links when new events are added to your calendar. And there you have it. With your Zap set up, Zapier will keep running these automated tasks in the background, allowing you more time to focus on the bigger tasks at hand. This integration is truly a game changer for productivity, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of it. Until next time, happy automating!